We started fostering in 2015, fostered with a commercial fostering agency for 6 years, and then we chose to transfer to our local authority. Choosing to foster with Foster Wales was the best decision we ever made.
Previously, we'd always cared for older children. When we started fostering through the local authority, we were caring for a little 7-year-old girl, something we'd never done before. Tiny, wasn't she? She was so little. The help we received was really refreshing.
Our social worker was, and still is, always at the end of the phone.
Yep, supervision. Which day are we looking at?
And there's a real fostering community here. Our local authority helps bring us together, so we now know more people who are foster carers than we ever did before. We've even got our own WhatsApp group.
Isn't going to be there? I don't know, actually, I haven't seen it for a while. We really look after each other and have regular catch-ups.
Honestly, I don't know where we'd be without our local authority, our fostering community, and of course our foster children.
They have really changed our lives.